Hello friends, if the lock Facebook profile option is not showing, then you have come to the right video. Just watch the video till the end without skipping. Now let's directly move to my mobile screen. First of all, open the Facebook application on your device and then click on your profile icon, which is in the right corner. Now click on your profile to move inside your profile dashboard. Then, on the profile page, click on these three dots. If you are not getting the option to lock your profile here, then there can be only one reason for this. Your Facebook professional mode is on. So first, you have to turn it off, and only then can you lock your profile because a Facebook profile cannot be locked in professional mode. Therefore, you have to first turn off professional mode. Now click on the option to turn professional mode off, and then click on continue. And then click on turn off again. Wait for a few seconds, and then click on close. Now simply refresh this page. Now you can see the option to lock your profile. So directly click on it, then click on lock your profile, and finally click on OK in this pop-up. Alright friends, you can see I successfully locked my profile. But still, you're not getting the option to lock your profile. Then check whether your Facebook application is updated or not. If it is not updated, then first update it from the Play Store and the App Store. After this, your Facebook profile will definitely get locked. If you found this video useful, then please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and have a good day.